Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Discord on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click. Here in this page of app and file, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data here if you manage your storage, as you see. And in the end, you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.